Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're tackling a term that, well, you see it pop up all over the place in finance, Cash Plus. Now, you probably hear that and think, okay, one company, maybe one specific service.
Right, that's the natural assumption.
But here's where it gets really interesting and why we're doing this deep dive. Cash Plus. It's not one thing at all.
Not even close.
It's actually a name used by loads of different financial outfits globally, each doing something pretty different.
Yeah, what's fascinating here is how just one name can cover such a huge range of financial innovation.
Yeah.
You know, everything from simple mobile wallets to quite sophisticated investment tools.
Exactly. And understanding those differences is key.
It really is. Looking beyond that label is what it's all about.
Okay, so that's our mission today. Let's guide you through this surprisingly varied world. We'll start our journey in North Africa, Morocco,
Okay.
with the Cash Plus app there. Now, this one, at its core, is a mobile wallet. It's meant to be your main payment account right on your phone.
Pretty straightforward concept to start with.
Yeah, so if you're actually using this app in Morocco, what does that really mean for, your day-to-day money management?
Well, first off, you see your balance instantly, real time.
Right. And you can make account transfers pretty easily.
Yep. And if you need actual help or a physical service, the app helps you find the nearest Cash PLS agency.
Okay, but it's more than just checking balances, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. Think about paying your bills.
Yeah.
Telephone, water, electricity.
You can do all that through the app.
Directly. Plus, phone top-ups, you can pay merchants for these things called tokens, like digital credits.
Okay. And just general online shopping, too.
That too. And sending money, receiving money, obviously.
Right.
And you can even ping relatives who also use the app to request money.
Handy. And I imagine keeping track of it all is important.
Yeah, there's a full transaction history right there. Makes budgeting simpler.
And you mentioned physical agencies.
Right. In Morocco, they have actual locations, too. And those handle even more, bigger money transfers, even paying taxes sometimes.
Wow.
So what really stands out with the Moroccan Cash Plus is how deeply it's woven into everyday life there.
Yeah, it sounds incredibly comprehensive for its region.
It really is. It's not just another payment app. It's like a central hub for almost all your daily financial interactions.
It's a kind of mobile-first financial ecosystem.
Exactly. And often in places like Morocco, this kind of tech leapfrogs the need for, tons of traditional bank branches. It drives financial inclusion.
Makes sense. That local integration is definitely striking. Okay, but let's completely switch gears now.
Okay.
Because the Cash Plus story takes a very different turn in Albania. If you thought the Moroccan one covered a lot, Albania's Cash Plus SHA app,
Right.
well, it's got a totally different focus.
Right, not a payment wallet this time.
No. This one is all about accessing and managing loan accounts. It's a digital loan platform.
Interesting. So for a user,
Yeah.
what does that involve?
Okay, so if you're using this app, you can immediately see your loan status. How much you owe now, what future payments look like. You can even apply for new loans through the app.
All digitally.
Yep. And it gives you detailed payment plans. And, this is pretty key, you can securely sign your loan agreements electronically.
So that involves things like eKYC.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Electronic Know Your Customer. So instead of dragging documents to a branch, you do your identity verification digitally.
Right, through the phone. That speeds things up considerably.
Hugely. And they talk about security, of course, multi-factor authentication, encryption, all that standard stuff.
And language options?
Yeah, available in English and Albanian.
This really raises an important question, doesn't it, about how this digital transformation is just fundamentally changing traditional financial services, like lending.
Definitely.
The Albanian Cash Plus seems like a prime example of that digital-first approach to loans. And integrating eKYC and e-signing isn't just about speed. It's about access. It lowers the barriers for people to get credit.
Makes the whole process more efficient and secure.
Absolutely. Efficiency, accessibility, security, all wrapped up in a digital package.
Okay, so we've had a mobile wallet, a digital loan platform. Let's head over to the UK now.
All right.
Here, we find Cash Plus Bank. And again, a different angle. This isn't really for individual consumers paying bills or getting personal loans.
So who is it for?
This Cash Plus is specifically built for small business owners in the UK.
A business focus. Makes sense.
Yeah, it's basically a banking app designed to help small companies manage their finances.
So what kind of features are we talking about?
Well, dedicated business bank accounts, obviously, tools for managing expenses, keeping track of spending.
Standard business banking stuff.
Right, but then there's this other feature they highlight called Credit Builder.
Credit Builder. Okay, that sounds interesting. What does that do?
It's specifically designed to help these small businesses improve their credit scores.
Oh, that's clever. Because a good credit score can be a real hurdle for small businesses trying to grow or get funding.
Exactly.
That niche focus on small businesses is really the key thing here, isn't it? And a feature like Credit Builder, that's genuinely valuable. It goes beyond just holding their money.
How does something like that typically work? Does it just report loan payments?
It can, but often it's smarter than that. It might work by reporting regular payments for the business's account services or other consistent payments they make through the bank, not just traditional loans. It reports that positive payment history to the credit bureaus.
Ah, I see. So it gives them a tangible way to build that financial track record.
Precisely, helping them strengthen their standing and hopefully get better terms down the line.
Okay, UK small businesses covered. Now, let's jump across the pond. The US.
Right.
Here we have two very big, well-known financial names that also use the Cash Plus label. But surprise, surprise, for different things again. These cater to maybe more complex financial management.
Okay, who are we talking about?
First, there's Morgan Stanley Cash Plus.
Ah, Morgan Stanley. Okay.
This is positioned as a cash management account. Think of it like a central hub for your ready cash, your liquidity.
Got it. Features.
Pretty much what you'd expect for easy cash access. Bill pay, online transfers, mobile check deposit, but also integrated financial analysis tools.
Right. Helping you see the bigger picture of your money.
Exactly. Then there's the Vanguard Cash Plus account.
Vanguard too. Okay, so likely tied to investing somehow.
That seems to be the angle. It sounds like it's designed as more than just a basic savings account. It's meant to bridge the gap between managing your short-term cash needs and your long-term investments.
Ah, solving that common investor problem. What to do with cash sitting, waiting to be invested or needed soon.
Seems like it. So you get features like direct deposit, mobile check deposit again, and they mention it works easily with apps like PayPal and Venmo.
Interesting. So if you connect these two, the Morgan Stanley and the Vanguard versions, they really highlight how cash management itself is evolving, especially for people with investments. It's about making cash work harder, integrating it seamlessly with broader financial strategies.
Trying to avoid that cash drag thing.
Exactly. Preventing idle money just sitting there in an investment account, not earning much. These accounts aim to bridge daily liquidity needs with longer-term goals.
And for the big firms like Morgan Stanley and Vanguard, it's probably also about keeping more of the client's financial life under one roof, right?
Right. Oh, absolutely. It makes the client relationship stickier, more comprehensive.
Okay, quite a journey so far. Mobile wallets, loans, business banking, sophisticated cash management.
Quite the spectrum.
But let's bring it full circle back to maybe the most traditional idea of Cash Plus that some folks might recognize from their own communities.
You mean the physical storefronts?
Exactly. Those local businesses, often with the sign saying Cash Plus or something similar, offering services like check cashing.
Right. Payday advance loans, wire transfers.
Yeah, those essential, sometimes more immediate financial services.
It's a great point to include because it really completes the picture. You've got these very tangible, often long-standing community services operating under that same Cash Plus banner, right alongside all the cutting-edge digital app-based innovations we've just been talking about. It shows the sheer breadth of how this name gets used.
It really does. From basic community finance right up to complex investment-linked accounts.
A true spectrum.
So after all that, what does this all mean for you listening?
Yeah.
I think the main takeaway is pretty clear.
Yeah.
When you hear the term Cash Plus from now on, your first question really needs to be, okay, but which one are we talking about?
Exactly. Is it the Moroccan wallet?
Or the Albanian loan app? The UK business bank?
The U.S. cash management account from Morgan Stanley or Vanguard?
Or that local check cashing place down the street?
They're all so distinct.
Totally different purposes, different regions, different target users. Understanding that specific context is just crucial.
And maybe that leads to a final sort of provocative thought for everyone listening.
Go for it.
In this world where finance is getting more digital, more global seemingly every day, how absolutely vital is it to look past this slick marketing name? To really dig in and understand the specific features, the actual purpose, maybe even the regulations behind any financial tool you're thinking of using.
Because the name can be just a label.
Precisely. As we've seen with Cash Plus, a single name can mean wildly different things. Real financial understanding, real literacy, it's always going to be in those details.